How to change the size of the subtitle background. To begin, I opened a subtitle in a video and I want to add background to subtitles and change the size of the background. First, change subtitle format from SRT to Advanced Substation Alpha. Now select subtitles you want to add background to. You can click and then hold down Shift and click to select multiple subtitles, or you can press Ctrl+A to select all the lines. Then right-click on one of them and go to ASSA Tools and select Generate Background Box. In opened window, you can see a preview at the bottom. If you want to increase the size of subtitle background, increase left and right padding. You also can change top and bottom padding. You can change the color of background too. Decreasing alpha value will result in a more transparent background. You can also add outline and shadow to box based on your needs. You can make the box fill the entire width of screen, and just add some margin to it. For now, I just disabled this option. Instead of a square corners box, you can use rounded corners and change the radius. You also have some more options for more stylized boxes based on your needs. But I use rounded corners for now and click OK. Now you can see that selected subtitles have the box I created. But note that only use this option on the last step of your subtitle editing, because now the list is filled with other data. At last, make sure to burn in subtitle. Just go to Video and generate video with Burn in Subtitle and click on Generate button. And now my subtitles have a background.
Julia had always loved
Anyway
music,
guys,
ever
thanks for
since she was
watching
a
and I
little
hope you
girl.
found this useful.